How to add outline headings in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So first we need to show the outline option here. At your left side you can see the outline details. For that we need to go in view, and we need to make sure that this show outline is enabled. Just click on it, so your outline option will be enabled like this. Okay, so you can make it back, or if you want to show again, just click on this list icon, it will be show. Okay, so outline basically for heading. So you will see the all heading, your subheadings here, or titles. So if you have the big contain or big file here, so you can simply navigate to by clicking on that title or headings. So first let me write something here. Netcast. So guys, you can see this is a simple text. You can see this is a normal text, but if I make it the title, so it will be automatically add to the outline. Okay, so I just make the another option, that another text like web text zone. Okay, so first line I have make the title, and second the is normal text, but it's not showing the in outline because it is normal text. So let me make it the title or heading one. So you can see this title one is showing the in outline, and heading one also showing in outline. So same as the your heading 2, heading 3 will be showing your outline option. Okay, so simply you can click on it and you can navigate at your titles page simply by clicking on this outline heading. So if some titles or heading, if you don't want to add in outline, so you can simply click on that heading and just click on this remove from outline. Okay, so it will be removed. But somehow if you change your mind, then if you change your mind and you want to add again, then go to the page and just click on that title, right click on it, and just click on that option called add to document outline. It will be add again here. Okay, and you can minimize this outline by clicking this back arrow, and after, if you want to view again, then just click on this list icon, it will be show again. Okay, so that is how you can add the outline headings in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.